Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, before I get into it, my name is Iandra Baburam. I realize that a lot of my new subscribers are having issues to pronounce my name. Now, if you mispronounce my name, I don't normally take offense to it because I know that the name is a little bit tricky to pronounce. But it's Iandra Baburam. Let us get right into today's video. I'm so excited to be doing this voiceover. I've done voiceovers before, but not in this manner. It was always like a short clip that I've done it for. So this time around, I'm super excited because I rarely use music or instrumentals in my videos these days. Whenever I use them, it never ends well on my side. So I gotta do what I gotta do, okay? I'm so sorry though, guys, because I know that the music or the instrumental makes the video more relaxing and more enjoyable, but it never ends well on my side. And if you are a content creator, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Anyways, I started off this video by doing my face routine. No, I did not show you guys the products that I used on my face because I always show them to you guys. You guys know them. I show you guys what I use in my hair. I show you guys what I use on my skin. I just wanted to run through this video. So at this point in the video, I was moisturizing my skin. I was doing it in a particular direction. No, I'm not always consistent with the direction of how I moisturize my skin, but it's very important, guys. It does something for your skin. Anyways, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Hello my babies, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed that night routine. I had to change my pajama top because the button fell off. Anyways, thank you so much Deloma for sponsoring today's video. They sent me a product to try and I want to unbox it with you guys and show you how well it works. So let us do it together. I went ahead and opened the box that holds the product. It looks like this. This is it. All the information to their website will be in my description box and the link to this product as well. Everything will be in my description box, guys. If you have a pet, you want to watch this, or if you have a lot of lint in your house like I do. In my living room is full of lint. Why? Because when I do the laundry, I normally put the clothes that I take from the line in the sofa. The sofa and the rug in my living room have a lot of lint. So we're gonna try it. I want to move the table off the rug, but let us unbox it first, you know, set it up. So it's an extended large lint roller. Ooh, I get a lot of lint roller. Not one, not two, but three. This is a bonus for me. And I have one in it already. I should think you can use it on your rug, you can use it in your sofa. You can use it wherever you want to remove the lint from. So let us just set it up. Alright, so we're going to remove this. And it's easy if you set up to, you know, guys. And you know what? I love that it comes with a stick. You don't have to bend your back. I love that. So we're going to put it to the test. Remove the paper. And I love how sticky it is. Okay. Alright guys, so this is a close-up of how the rug is looking. A lot of lint. And if I do like this, you'll just see them flying up. You probably won't see it on camera. So this is how it's looking before I use it. So let us get right into it. Look at this part. Oh my god. And look at the roller. Oh my god. When I tell you, so much lint was sitting in this rug. I love that the stick is long. And if you want to get it shorter, you can just go ahead and screw these off. But I love it with this length. It's easier to use. And I know you guys can see the difference. Alright, hold on. Let us check it now. Ew. Okay guys, you need to get it. Y'all need to get this. It gets the job done. I think this is my new favorite. So I'm going to remove this piece and give it another try. And it's so satisfying. Oh my god. So let's just give it another try. Okay, beautiful people, so that is it for the product. Comment and let me know what you guys think. I personally love this product. I suggest that if you have a pet, you should definitely get one of these, or if you have a lot of lint in your house like I do. I'm so happy I got so many lint rollers because I'll be getting my pet soon, so I know I'll definitely need them further down. All the information will be in my description box. Go on their website and check them out, see what other product they have to offer. Bye guys.